Hello everyone. I'm selling my ebooks and AI course and timesheet software from my website rajamanikam.com. Actually, people from any country can buy from here, though the price is showing in US dollars. People in India can also buy from here, and moreover, it will be reducing the price based on the country, based on the purchasing power parity. So in India, it's giving 60% discount automatically. Okay, and similarly, it will be giving various discount based on the country. Okay, so it's overall it's okay, but people from India are expecting to have payment options, additional payment options like net banking and UPI payment. But as of now, Gumroad is not offering that one. So I thought of adding my ebooks in India-based website, my Instamojo-based site also. Okay, so I will be providing the link in the description. If you want to buy from there, you can buy it. I listed all my ebooks there. Okay, so you can just go through that, and you can buy from there also. Okay. But I would suggest buying from my website rajamanikam.com because I used to update here frequently, and moreover I will be sending newsletters also with more information. So if it is possible, buy from rajamanikam.com. Otherwise, if you want to use net banking and UPI, you can go with this one, Instamojo one. But Instamojo is not having option to provide courses. Okay, so in that case, I'll be providing the payment link in the description. You can just make the payment there for the AI course. I will be sending 100% discount code to you. Okay, so that you can access it from rajamanikam.com itself. Okay, so that way I can deliver the course to people in India also. Okay, but it's a manual thing. Okay, so I need to manually send it to you. Okay, so I'm providing that offer like if you are making that kind of payment before May 15, you can just get my AI course for just 300 rupees and just for testing various things. Okay, it is for a few days only. I mean 15 days. Okay, and if it is going well, I will look for some automated things. Okay, for testing purpose, I am just giving it for 300 rupees. You can tell about this offer to others also. Okay, thanks. Bye.